It's almost time to bring everyone together for the holidays. Cresswind Peachtree City has so many ways to make your home truly yours, especially when it comes to creating the perfect gourmet kitchen for hosting holiday parties and family gatherings. The team at Cresswind Peachtree City makes it easy to design your perfect home and Atlanta's best 55+ active adult community. The expert design consultants will guide you along the way so your home will beautifully reflect your style. They'll also let you know about the latest design trends that you may want to incorporate into your new home and help you explore the best use of your space. Let's focus on one of the most popular gathering spots in the house, the kitchen. Cresswind floor plans are designed specifically for active adults, with spacious kitchens that have open flow into the great room and plenty of room to accommodate guests. Together with Cresswind's on-site design team, you can create a gourmet kitchen personalized to fit you. From the flooring and lighting to cabinetry, countertops, fixtures, and more. Beyond the kitchen, your entire new home at Cresswind can be personalized to fit your lifestyle and tastes. Come see for yourselves what Cresswind Peachtree City has to offer. The Welcome Center is open daily, so you can tour the 11 designer-decorated models and start designing your new home. Or tour online at cresswindpeachtreecity.com.